Alright, this is the second question. That's draw create a model for each of the for the following description. Each department. So now this is a object. So we are going to create entity to represent this object. Operate 1, 2, 3 branch. So branch is another object. And then each branch employees one or more employees. So employee is an entity. So we want to create is multiple objects, and we want to create an entity to represent it. And each employee may or may not have dependents. So dependents, we can use entity to represent a collection of dependents. And then each employee participates in a project. So project is another entity. You have multiple projects, and each project shares some attributes. So this is the property. So we're going to draw a ER diagram for this equation. First of all, let's just create a rectangle by click insert shape and try to create a rectangular here, but it's filled. So I'm going to right click and then go to format shape, and then make sure no field, and then change the color. I like to have a black color, but it's up to your choice then. Alright, so we have a rectangular. Then we want to insert a text box. So draw a text box inside. And then, but I don't want to have the border. So there is a line style, say no line. So I can put on a department over here. So this is one. Well, you can use any way you like, but I just show you. If you don't have any way, you can follow my way. Then you have the branches. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to draw another one. And inside, I'm going to indicate this is a branch. And then we have employee and projects. So I'm going to draw the rest. So make it faster. I'm going to draw So using the same way, I have draw 4 entities. One is department, one is branch, one is dependent, one is project. The next step is I'm going to draw the relationships among those entities. Okay, so I'm going to use a line. Again, I'm going to insert a line. And a department, I'm going to draw a line because they are relationship among them. And then what relationship says? Each department operates 1, 2, 3 branches. So I got to insert a shape. Insert shape indicates what is the direction. Then I'm going to turn it. So this is the direction. And again, I got to indicate what the name. What is the name of the relationship? We can use the verb, say operate. So I'm going to write down operate. Alright, so I'm going to use the same way to draw all the relationships, and then I will explain from there. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to explain. I will quickly draw it and show you the result. Now I have drawn all the entities here. We have department and branch. Department operates branch, and we also have employee works for branch. And then the employee participates the project. So, and then also each employee could have dependent. So after that, what we want to do is I want to draw the cardinality and participation. So just keep in mind the participation is the minima multiplicity for each entity in participating the relationship. So for instance here it says each department operate 1 or 3 branches. So each department operate and 1, 2, 3 branches. That's how you display it, 1, 2, 3. But each department operate 1, 2, 3 branches. And this is say over here. And each branch belongs to only one department. So each branch belong to only one department. So put in one. So this is how you indicate, how you express the multiplicity. First number is participation, means each participation means the department operate 1, 2, 3 branches. So at least one department at least operates one branches, but up to what? 3. This is the maximum. So participation is the minimum, and cardinality is the maximum number. However, if you have only one, you just put one, or you can put open data 1, it's same as 1. And it means maximum, minimum is 1, means just 1. It means one branch is operated by one department. And then here is employee works for branch. So what it says here is each branch, employee, each branch employ one or more employees. So each branch employ one or more employees. So you can have multiplicity over here. So each branch have one or more employees over here. However, each employee works for only one branches. So one data 1 or 1, they are the same. So I just make it 1. And then employee participate how many projects may or may not have. I'm sorry, here a dependent. Let's look at the dependent. Each employee has 0 or more dependents. So each employee has 0 or more. So it could be 0, or could be more than 1. If you have each dependent belongs to one employee. Why? Belongs to one employee. And then employee participate, may not participate. So it could be 1, it could be 0 because it may not, and it could be more projects. Of course, each project is participated by one or many employees. So each project is participated by one or more employee. Okay, so this will be a solution of creating ER diagram. Don't worry about the extended or enhanced ER diagram. We only focus on ER diagram without enhancement. So don't look at that not generalization and the specialization. We don't do that in the final. So if you know how to do it, you are good. Okay? Any question, let me know.